Hi guys, today I'll show you the best phone cooler apps for Android. Let's get started. Here are the top 3 CPU cooling apps for Android. 1. Keep Cleaner. Keep Cleaner helps cool your phone by cleaning cache, junk files, and closing background apps that slow performance and overheat the CPU. It also includes battery optimization for better power efficiency. 2. CPU Monitor. CPU Monitor tracks CPU temperature and memory usage in real time. It identifies apps causing overheating and sends alerts when temperatures rise too high, helping you manage system resources effectively. 3. One Booster. One Booster improves phone performance by detecting and stopping background processes, clearing junk files, and uninstalling unused apps. It uses minimal battery and is easy to use with real-time optimization. That's it. These apps can help reduce your phone's temperature and improve performance. Make sure to download them from trusted sources and adjust settings for best results. Please appreciate us by like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.